And we're going to need 2 volunteers from the audience, preferably 2 people we haven't had yet. However, we've got one over here, it looks like.
One back here.
And one back here. We'll go ahead and take the 2 of you. Come on down. Hey there, what's your name? Charlie. My name is Joe. Pleasure to meet you. And your name? Desiree. Pleasure. All right. Charlie and Desiree, we're going to play a game called Sound Effects. If you want, you can go ahead and have a seat here. And what we're going to do is, in this scene, all of the sounds in the world that would happen to these 2 are going to be created by you guys. So here's a microphone for you. So, Charlie, you're going to make all the sounds for Bill. And Desiree, you're going to make all the sounds for John. For example, if John was to start petting a kitty, or strangling a kitty, that is the quietest cat I need to have at home. All right, now what if Bill here were to take a bite out of a big juicy apple? What would that sound like? Try this one. All right. Delicious?
Hot.
Tender. All right. Now in this scene, you guys are going to be responsible for all the sounds they make. So anytime you think that they need to be making a sound or something should be making a sound for them, or maybe they're talking about ringing a bell, it's your guys' job to go ahead and make those noises.
And they have this phone with me. You can put that right up to your lips, almost right up there.
Brand new, just out of the bag today, as a matter of fact. Now, Bill and John are 2 nurses that work at a retirement home. Now, they're enjoying the retirement home's holiday party when all of a sudden, someone sounds a code indigo.
You know what, John? You can quit buffing the floors. This is party time. Here. Nice. Let me open this beer for you.
That's a little flat. How about another one?
Okay? And zip tops. Just deal with it.
How about some wine?
Okay. You pick up this. I don't like that. It's not very clean. How about you pour some wine in there for me? You like that? That's laughing ale. Let's stick with the wine. Here you go. I don't think I want that now. Oh my God! Listen, it's a code purple.
What do you do in a code purple?
Well, as everybody knows, the code purple is the sound of an old guy gasping his last breath of life.
Maybe we should hop in the ambulance or some car to get to him.
Thank God we have an ambulance right here in the middle of the party. Okay, let me open the door. Let me get some oil here. Oil the door. Oh, let me get a better oil can.
Maybe we should take a bus.
I think the car will be fine. Let's get it.
Clink.
My door's pretty good. Doesn't make a sound. Clink. All right.
Click.
You're so safety conscious. Okay.
Here we go.
You ready? We start up the car. All right. Battery must be dead.
That doesn't sound good. Wait.
All right.
Clink.
Check under the hood. These Terminator cars are so
They're very easy to move around.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to check the battery cables. I I know I usually electrocute myself, but I don't think it's going to happen this time. You ready? Shut the door. It's very quiet. Ready? Okay. When I check the cables, you start the ignition, okay?
Ready?
Perfect. Didn't electrocute myself this time.
That's perfect. It's
Okay,
very
start the car.
quiet. Must be one of those Priuses.
You got the siren working. Use the ignition, dummy. Go there.
Wow.
Yeah. All right. Tell you what. I'm gonna have to push start it.
Okay.
Okay?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Listen.
My back's out. You know what? The new cold purple is me. Get out and help me. Oh, it's the same back problem. Click. Now here, you diagnose it. Listen. You just listen carefully. See?
Wait. I got
Keep
it.
it straight. That's what's better. All right. You know what?
Let me pull this out. It's a very small, foldable wheelchair.
Made by the same German manufacturer. Okay.
It's an expert.
All right. I'm gonna take off my jacket.
Okay.
Hold it. It's electric. All right. It wasn't keyed to you.
Okay.
All right.
Get in the wheelchair.
I'm gonna try and sit down here.